Eric Muadh, Muadh.com. Let's take a look here at a stock that is up about 5% for the day. Actually, almost 6% gain for the day. Let's take a look at the behavior of the stock, and maybe we can see how we can time some of these turnaround situations. A couple of observations here is we had used this previous daily closing high here for a breakout buy signal. So once the stock broke out, that gave us a reason to go long somewhere around here. And of course the stock is higher since then, and it's coming back to test this breakout. It seems to be holding above that and beginning to climb to the upside. So the action so far looks good. Anybody who went long at this trigger point should continue holding and has no reason to get out since you have not been stopped out. Also take a look at the RSI work. If you go back to the recent breakout, connecting this level here, what we see is that once the stock jumped above this line, so this breakout above the blue line sometime in July led to this explosion, which also happens to be around where we went long. And you can see what the stock has done. In essence, it's gone higher on the RSI. It's coming back here, it's hit that line and is now coiling to the upside. So that seems like short-term very good support, which might be one of the reasons why from a technical standpoint the stock is showing a rebound today, having come and found support on that line. And again, this is the line here, the breakout line. Right now the stock is using that as a back test, and it seems to be holding, and another reason why it is acting well for now. So as long as the stock is above that blue line, one can continue holding and see what happens. Keep in mind, one of the reasons why the stock was on our buy list is because it had come back and tested the 50 monthly RSI level and held, which is this period here in the 80s or lower 80s, and it's since been moved higher. Also, we can see the last time it hit that 50 level and held was here, let's call it in the mid 50s, before the stock turned around here and went on to record highs in the $240 range. So again, we see that it had come back and was testing the 50 monthly RSI level, which held previously, and over the last couple of months that has also held, which is another reason why we were considering that breakout opportunity on the daily. If you take a look at the hourly, if you take this low here in the month of June, you can see that there's a way you can actually look at this and see that this is where the stock came back after this slight movement on hindsight, brought the stock off the lows here in the $75 area, and of course the stock is higher. Now what you observe is, if you draw a line from here, should be something like this, you can see that every time the stock hits this line, for example here, it makes a short-term low. It hit the line there or close to it for this short-term low, and again over the last couple of trading days it hit this level on the hourly chart and has since bounced. So we're talking about this RSI showing support, price trading here in about 100. Right now the stock is close to 108, 109. That's a good, let's call it 7-8% over the last couple of days based on simple RSI support work. So based on all those observations, this is one way you can figure out where you want to go long a stock, based on daily, weeklies, and also based on monthly charts. Also, one quick observation on the daily, I forgot to mention that the daily chart was showing support based on coming back and testing the 50 RSI level. As you can see here, double bottom support at the 50 level for the lows right here. And again, over the last couple of days, we came here and we came close to the 50 level. We touched that and now we are bouncing higher. So given all those considerations, the stock was already giving us a reason why one should continue holding, and also a reason why on the hourly one should have found the last couple of trading hours as being an entry opportunity when the stock was trading somewhere around the $100 area. Eric Muadh, Muadh.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. Yes. Oh, yeah. Bah. Yeah. See you guys. I am out. Mwah.